Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Learn. And for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to add someone else's story to yours. This video will be a bit confusing, so make sure to watch until the end. And also, make sure that you like this video and comment for more helpful tech content. So let's get started by opening Instagram. Now, if you want to link someone else's story in your story, they're gonna need to tag you in that specific story that you want to repost. So they're gonna have to mention you while they post the story, and now you can repost the story. If they don't mention you, you can repost them just by screenshotting and then posting it. But how do you actually access stories? These icons right here are stories. You can just move them and then tap on them, but I'm not gonna tap on them because you're not gonna be able to hear me. So once again, if you're mentioned, you're gonna be able to repost. If you're not, just screenshot by holding the volume up button and the power button at the same time. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.